when people ask and they're telling me, you know, I have pain, what medicine should I take? And I usually ask them, what medicine do you usually take when you have pain? When we're doing emergency treatment, it's a Band-Aid. And you need to make sure that you're going back to your dentist to get that taken care of, okay? So first thing, if there is swelling, most of the time people are calling because they have a toothache. And if they have a toothache and they have swelling on their teeth, it's probably going to be an infection. And most of the treatment that is done with infection is either going to be, first of all, if you can't see the dentist, they're probably and most likely going to prescribe medication. And the first medication they would prescribe would be antibiotic. Antibiotic is the first medicine that the dentist will give you if you have swelling on your teeth, if you have swelling on your gum, you are going to get antibiotic. And most of the antibiotic that is going to be prescribed to you is amoxicillin. Now, amoxicillin is a good antibiotic, but some people, they're allergic to this. So you have to know to make sure that you're taking in the right medicine is you got to tell whoever's going to prescribe it that if you are allergic to amoxicillin, make sure that they don't give you that medicine. So besides the amoxicillin and besides the antibiotic, like I was saying, besides the swelling, most people are going to complain about pain. At this day and age, what we are doing in the United States is we are trying to cut off all the opioids that we used to prescribe. Most of the dental medicine that we could use now actually works with just over-the-counter medicine. And so you could surely get something a little bit more potent. Most of what we give is usually Advil. Now, Advil is a name by most people know, and most people really will get something like this, Advil, for pain. But that is really, a generic form of that would be ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is an anti-inflammatory, so you've got ibuprofen, which is basically Advil. When people ask, and they're telling me, you know, I have pain, what medicine should I take? And I usually ask them, what medicine do you usually take when you have pain? If you have pain, I usually take Tylenol. See if that works. See if you could take some Tylenol, and Tylenol would be a different type of medicine to Advil. Tylenol is acetaminophen. Advil is ibuprofen. So when you go ahead and take Tylenol, and if it's working, that's probably all you need for the pain. But Advil is very good for inflammation. So if you've got some inflammation on your teeth and it's hurting, and then you could go ahead and get rid of that inflammation with Advil. Advil works very good. So if you're going to go away on a vacation, you can't take the antibiotic because of this is prescription. Because you could surely take some Advil, and it doesn't have to be Advil. It could be ibuprofen, a generic form of Advil. So what you want to go ahead and make sure you do is have that with you just for pain. And then you could also surely get another one, acetaminophen, like Tylenol. So those are the ones that we are suggesting when people are in pain. We're taking care of them with medicine, just to get them to the point where they could go to the dental office and get a more permanent procedure done so they could get rid of the pain permanently. So now, but I gotta tell you, like I said, you gotta go to your dentist and you gotta make sure that you take care of that, because basically that is just a Band-Aid, and that is basically what you've got in your first aid kit. So make sure that you know it's a Band-Aid. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you tap right here for our next video.